Hi, I'm Todd Bachman with Mosby Building Arts, and today I wanted to talk to you about a popular product we like to use in bathrooms. It's called the Onyx Collection. Now, this is not to be confused with the natural occurring stone of onyx. This is a man-made resin material that we like to use for shower surrounds, shower bases, countertops, and backsplashes. It comes in a wide variety of colors and styles. It can come in a matte or gloss finish. It can have accent strips or inlays in it. It comes with accessories like recessed shower caddies or corner shower caddies and shower seats as well. Maybe the best part about Onyx is that it's really easy to maintain and keep clean. Unlike a tiled shower where you have to deal with scrubbing the grout and sealing the tile every so often, Onyx is really easy to wipe down and there is no grout lines to deal with. So it becomes a very lower maintenance type product, which is great for everyone. I hope this information was helpful, and I'll see you next time.
Hi, I'm Mark McClanahan. I'm the president of Mosby Building Arts. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and click the like button below. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section and we'll make sure to get an answer to you. For future videos, just go ahead and subscribe. And if you'd like to have a deeper conversation about your home, go ahead and click the link down there in the description area. We'll make sure to contact you. Thanks again for watching this video.